To get started with the Uniswap SDK, you first need to understand what Uniswap is. Uniswap is a decentralized exchange protocol that allows users to swap tokens on the Ethereum blockchain. The Uniswap SDK is a software development kit that provides a set of tools and libraries to interact with the Uniswap protocol. The first step in using the Uniswap SDK is to install it. You can install the Uniswap SDK using npm or yarn by running the command npm install Uniswap SDK or yarn add Uniswap SDK. Once installed, you can import the Uniswap SDK into your project. Next, you need to set up a wallet and a provider. The Uniswap SDK supports various wallets such as MetaMask and Wallet Connect. You can use a library like Ethers.js to connect to the Ethereum blockchain. Create a new instance of the wallet and provider, and then use the wallet to connect to the provider. After setting up the wallet and provider, you can use the Uniswap SDK to fetch token data. You can use the token class to create a new token object, and then use the token object to fetch the token's price and liquidity data. To swap tokens, you need to create a new instance of the trade class. The trade class takes in the token you want to swap from, the token you want to swap to, and the amount you want to swap. You can then use the trade object to execute the swap. Best practices for using the Uniswap SDK include handling errors and exceptions properly, and using a reliable price feed to get the most up-to-date prices. You should also test your code thoroughly to ensure it works as expected. In summary, using the Uniswap SDK involves installing the SDK, setting up a wallet and provider, fetching token data, swapping tokens, and following best practices. By following these steps, you can build a decentralized exchange application that interacts with the Uniswap protocol.